Not only do you have all these different systems that have important enterprise data and customer information in them, you often have sort of teams built around them that get kind of create silos, not only data silos of customer information or enterprise data, but those teams, they don't work together. They don't collaborate well together. And so being able to, we've always talked about for years about building kind of that single source of truth or a 360-degree view of a customer. And that is really important because when you have that, your teams are able to operate in a more interoperable way. They're able to operate more collaboratively. And that's really important for a distributor or a manufacturer because you've got customers and suppliers that you're interacting with in a variety of different ways. And they're expecting you to work like a team, to be an interoperable organization.